Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Duna token. Now I saw that the Duna token, or Duna, however you want to pronounce it, looks like Duna, so that sounds better too, so I'm going to say that. The Duna token got listed today on a very big central exchange, and then I just saw it trending on DEX tools as well. Now this token is on the Solana blockchain and has a big amount of holders already. They have 16,720 holders. They have a big market cap, big trading volume. We're going to go over the information on the Duna token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token is on the Solana blockchain, so you can find it on SolScan. You can also find the chart, the price, and all the statistical information on Bird Eye, on DEX Tools, DEX Screener. So it was just trending in the top 10 on DEX Tools. That's where I saw it. It's actually trending number 20 right now in the Solana section on DEX Screener. And they also just got a brand new central exchange listing today. So it said this token was listed January 2nd, which is today, on a very big central exchange called xt.com. So it is available now on XT Exchange. So one way to get this token would be to download XT Exchange from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or open an account on your PC at xt.com. You would then, after you open an account, fund your account with USDT. Then you would go into the trade section after you fund your account. You would search DUNA, which is the name and the ticker symbol of this token. And then when it pops up, you would simply just trade your USDT for the Duna token. So there was announcements today on xt.com that this token got listed on there, along with the AICMP token, the MOS token. They all kind of got listed around the same time, 10 a.m. UTC time this morning. And Miku got listed on there, Stoic. I mean, I've done videos on basically all these tokens. And then today I did a video on AR16Z, which is a play off of AI16Z. And that one got listed today on xt.com as well. So they got a ton of big listings today. The Cookie token, you name it. Tons of listings on XT as of today. So this token's doing very well. They have a market cap of $8.2 million. They're up 291% in the past 24 hours. And they have a 24-hour trading volume of $65.8 million. Very huge project. 154,493 transactions just today. So they have a news article linked basically as their webpage on DEX Screener, which is from theblockbeats.info. And it's like a news article, and it says A16Z, what is Duna? And why will it advance the future of Web3? It says everyone active in Web3 has heard of the word DAO, which is an abbreviation for Decentralized Autonomous Organization. Now, DAO is the key tool to keep blockchain networks open and has been working hard to become a benchmark for Web3. But there is a topic that cannot be avoided here. that is law and regulation. So this week, Wyoming passed a new bill that brings DAOs into the scope of legal entities. This will enable blockchain networks to operate within the scope of applicable laws without affecting their decentralized properties. So this is a major breakthrough because it will provide much needed protection for DAOs and give them the ability to keep blockchain networks open. So Wyoming has had a long history of supporting innovative legal entity structures. The state was the first to adopt the Limited Liability Company LLC, the first to adopt the Unincorporated Nonprofit Organization UNA, and the first to introduce a subset of LLC statutes for the use of DAOs. So what is Duna? On March 7th, 2024, the Wyoming Decentralized Unincorporated Nonprofit Association Act was signed into law with an effective date of July 1st. So the bill was closely related to Wyoming's existing Unincorporated Nonprofit Association Act, but it was specifically written for decentralized organizations. So basically that's what Duna is short for, I'm assuming, anyways. In addition, one can think of it as Web3 version of a town council. The purpose of the town council is to protect the standards and operations of the town by enforcing the community's rules and conventions, ultimately serving as the interests of the citizens, their homes, and their businesses. So why is Duna necessary? Well, it says entrepreneurs around the world are using blockchain tech to build a better internet, which is fundamental to returning the internet to its open network roots. And goes on and on. Basically, it's a very big article here. They talk about why should DAOs use Duna, and if Duna is a nonprofit, can they engage in for-profit activities? So it's a very big article where you can learn all about this Wyoming legislature and all that type of stuff. So check that all out. But the token here, let's get back to that. So this token was created 1 day, 2 hours ago. It basically an homage to this new statute, whatever you want to call it. And they have a Telegram you could follow, which is at Duna token _SOL. And they have 348 subscribers. You can preview the channel before joining. That's going to be a great place to see updates regarding this project, along with their Twitter that I'm going to put in the corner of the screen here as usual. And the Twitter is at, actually it's a community. So maybe I'll put up the chart and then maybe a little picture of the community. I don't know if they actually have an official Twitter. That's not even their official webpage. That's just basically talking about what Duna is. Maybe I'll put up the xt.com listing here. Does it have a Twitter in the xt.com listing? Let's check that out here. So they definitely have a Twitter community, so you can chat with other people there. No, they don't even have a Twitter listed on the xt.com listing, so I'm assuming they don't have one because it's not on Dex Tools, Dex Screener, anywhere really. They have just a Soul Scan. So yeah, the purpose of the town council is to protect the standards and operations of the town by enforcing the community rules and conventions, ultimately serving the interests of its citizens, their homes, and their businesses. And that is Duna in a nutshell. So go check this token out. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.